Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices talking to each other. Make sure your phone and smart TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, since most transfers use local traffic. Once done, enable Bluetooth if you plan to use quick share or a direct pairing method, because it speeds discovery. Open the file manager on your phone and the TV's casting or media app so you can initiate the share immediately. Doing these steps now avoids interruptions later. Next, you pick what to send and how. On your phone, select the photos, videos, or documents, tap Share, and choose the TV's name. That tells the devices to establish a session. If your TV supports DLNA, Miracast, or Chromecast, select the corresponding option. These protocols handle streaming versus full file transfer differently, so choose based on whether you need playback only or a saved copy. For very large files, prefer Wi-Fi Direct or a USB adapter, so transfer. To finish, watch the progress indicator on both the phone and the TV and make sure you see a completion confirmation. Only then close the apps. You don't want an interrupted copy. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices and verify they remain on the same network, because IP changes break sessions. As a quick fix, switch to a wired USB connection or upload the files to cloud storage and download on the TV. That workaround often resolves stubborn transfer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.